To use our DSP device, we need to connect our software to device first. We can choose a USB HID method by clicking the General HID device and connect the hardware device to your computer via the USB Type-C cable. Now the device is already connected. First we need to build a freeway crossover system. Therefore we can map 2 channels to the triple channel, 2 channels to middle frequency channels, and the last 2 channels to bass channel. And also we can have a subwoofer output. Now I can demonstrate how to set the software. First we need to set left and right channel as the middle frequency channel. We click the linkage button on left channel and right channel, and then maintain the first filter, tone control filter, and just don't change it. The second filter as a peaking filter for middle frequency controlling, and then we can set a high pass filter. On the fourth filter, for example, we set a general second order high pass filter for using it as a high frequency, which means treble speaker. And we can set a band pass filter to use it as a middle frequency channel. Now we already set a band pass filter, and we can adjust the frequency of this band pass filter. For example, we can adjust its central frequency to 693 Hz and turn the Q value to a higher value. And also we can reset the 5th filter and also the 8th filter. Also the 7th filter to maintain it having a flat frequency response. Now we reset the subwoofer channel. The subwoofer channel is only capable of playback low frequency signals. Therefore, the first filter is unnecessary. To have a band pass filter, we reset it to a peak and filter and remain. The first filter is a general second order low pass filter. Then we can set the bass cutoff, for example, to 80 Hz, and we can also adjust the Q value to having a flat frequency response. And now we can set the bass speaker, the 4th channel and 5th channel. We can link them together, and then having another band pass filter to a lower frequency range. For example, 187 Hz. And if we want to boost its gain, we can also set the gain to 2 decibels or 3 decibels. Now we have subwoofer channel, bass channel, middle frequency channel, and the last thing is the high frequency channel corresponding to the treble speakers. We can use the 6th and 7th channel to play back high frequency signals. Now we can set a high pass filter. For example, general second order high pass filter. And we adjust the frequency to 2.5 kHz. And lower down the Q value. Now we can have a 4-way crossover, active crossover system, and which can play back different frequencies of music signals onto different speakers. And this can be realized by using our 7-channel output products DSP processor with your own amplifier products. Thank you.